Yesun Vietnam Company Limited respectfully greets our valued customers and partners. We wish our valued customers and partners abundant health and great success in your business. We operate 2 factories with a total area of over 20,000 square meters. We manufacture directly from virgin plastic resin, maintain large and diverse inventories, and operate with modern production lines. We proactively develop products based on customer requirements with highly flexible mass production capabilities. We specialize in manufacturing protective, shockproof, and impact-resistant products made from EPE, IXPE, EVA foam, as well as other packaging materials such as adhesive tape, stretch film, carton boxes, air bubble bags, and more. Our products are mainly used to protect finished electronic products delivered to end users, store electronic components during movement across production stages, protect high-finish surfaces from scratches, deformation, and impact. Founded in 2021 from a small factory of only 4,000 square meters with 8 workers, we have continuously strived to expand our capabilities to meet diverse customer needs. To date, not only has our factory area expanded, but our production and control processes have also been professionally developed. We apply software systems in management, standardizing every stage on computer systems to eliminate even the smallest errors. Orders are carefully reviewed before production. Our corporate culture is clearly defined with positive policies. Our staff are regularly trained and updated with the latest technologies, production methods, and management practices. We manage quality according to ISO 9001 standards and environmental management according to ISO 14001 standards. Every product is strictly controlled at each stage to ensure it meets customer requirements upon delivery. Our customers and partners can place your full trust in Yesun Vietnam Company Limited. In addition to providing the best customer care, we pay great attention to employee well-being. Employees are provided with full meals at the company canteen, ensuring health and food safety. Every quarter, employees who have birthdays are celebrated party and receive gifts from the trade union. Annually, our employees enjoy company summer trips, year-end parties, and participate in competitions with valuable prizes. To ensure occupational safety and production safety, our employees regularly receive training, including fire prevention and firefighting in accordance with official regulations. Customers and partners are welcome to visit our 2 factories. We are honored to welcome you.